Hey everyone, it's Milton Hughes here with Rust Belt Broncos, and today we have the tin out and perfect day. It's going to be sunny all day. We're going to be waterproofing it, just adding a little extra UV protectant. I did some research and I picked up this Nikwax tent gear and solar proofing, and I did pick up 2 bottles. I'm not quite sure I'll need 2 bottles yet, but what it says is to evenly coat the tent. I'm also going to do the awning up there and allow it to sit for 2 minutes. Take a damp, wet cloth, and then we're going to wipe that away, and then look to see if we need to add a second coat or not. So I have it opened here. I'm going to go ahead and start spraying this. As you can see, I have this side sprayed. There's a little extra up there at the top, but I'm gonna let these little droplets settle in. Most of them have already absorbed, and I'm gonna take my damp microfiber cloth here, and I'm just gonna spend some time knocking off the areas that didn't soak in. I'm not gonna scrub it. I don't want to take it off, but I do just want to knock off. You can see it's starting to dry there. I'm just gonna knock off these heavy spots of like a mist from the container. So I'm just gonna go through, knock those off, and let that stuff settle in and dry. You can kind of see over here where the sun's not quite beating on it, it's not drying as fast. So I'm just gonna lightly knock that big surface stuff off. And I'm not wiping very hard, I'm just taking the little beads off. All right, so I'm gonna give this a good hour out in the sun and let it dry. And then I'm going to see if there's any spots that I missed. And you can kind of see where you miss spots, because it'll be really shiny or dull in areas. So I just continue to try to overlap those shiny areas with the spray. And then all these little dots will soak in. That's how I know I got a good coating. And then I'm just concentrating on these seams as well. So spraying down the seams, and then over here in the seams. I did remove the rain guard on this, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that area up there, and I did hit my rain guard as well. Just working my way back to center. I'm probably gonna have to open that second bottle. This one's about empty. It's getting to the point where I can't angle it down. It's no longer wanting to pick up. I already have this side done. That's why I brought my cloth up here. I'm gonna wipe off the access. It's been about 7 minutes. It says to wait till 2 minutes. But I just feel like it's absorbing more a little bit longer that I wait. Probably not gonna be able to get all of this. I gotta move my ladder a little bit closer. I do have some fairly large wheels. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer and work my way across the area. Just overlapping that middle. Okay, I'm just about empty, so I'm gonna switch to the second bottle. All right, the little bit I have left in this that I can't pick up, I'm gonna go ahead and pour into this. This stuff is kind of expensive. It's pretty efficient though in its spray. It's got a good long tube on it. I just couldn't get all the way down for what I was trying to do with the coverage. So let's go ahead and get back on the roof. And as you can see over there, I do have my sun tarp already laid out, the rain tarp, and that's already sprayed. I will have to wipe that down here in the next 5 minutes. Okay, now we're just taking some of this final stuff off. I really gotta say, I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but this does have a really nice sheen to it. And like I said, the softness is definitely there. You can definitely tell it has a wax type coating on it. But just working my way through the tent. About a full bottle and maybe an eighth through the other bottle. I have the upper top up there sitting. I did that side of the canopy, and then I have just the back side left to do, and then this project will be done. But we're gonna let this dry a little bit more and I'll show you the final results. All right, the tent's been sitting back dry for a couple hours now. I got the rain tarp back on. We did go ahead and open the windows inside the tent just to let it completely dry from the inside out as well. And I gotta say, I'm really impressed with this product. It's the first time I've ever used it. It's a little bit expensive. It's about $20 a bottle. I did wind up using about a bottle and a half on this. Complete job with doing the inside and the outside and the rain tarp, but I'm very happy with it. And we also got a chance to do the awning, which turned out really nice. And as long as you spend your time with this and you follow the directions and you wipe away the little spots that don't completely soak in, it's really easy to do. I got to take this awning down and kind of lower it because it's blocking my outer rain guard. But this is a trailer build that we're working on currently, and I just wanted to take the opportunity today to go ahead and do a coating on this and get it rain protected. And next up, we're going to rhino line the trailer. It's the paint is not doing exactly what I wanted it to do, but that will be the next video. But for this one, pick this product up. It's a good product. I'm very impressed with it and how it turned out. Like always, like and subscribe to the channel. That'll help us out creating this content and getting it out for viewers to see. And we'll see you on the next one.